Am I wrong for refusing to show favoritism? I have two daughters, Lexi, 16, and Kelly, 15. Everyone in our family adores Lexi. She is beautiful, smart, and talented. But most importantly, she puts a lot of effort into her relationships with people. If her aunt or one of her uncles has an emergency, she is there to babysit their kids for free. If they are sick, she cooks a meal and brings it to them. Because of this, my family usually spoils her for every occasion. They love Kelly too, but they are not as close to her. A few months ago, for Kelly's birthday, she got a bag, a shirt, and a skateboard from her aunt and uncles, which are all things she is interested in. I also gave her an iPad. Lexi's birthday is in a few weeks, and my siblings have all called to tell me what they are planning to buy for her and ask if it's okay. They are buying a PS5, Sephora makeup kit, and a necklace. Today, Kelly asked me what I'm planning to buy for Lexi, and I told her the same iPad that I bought for her. She started yelling at me that this is not fair, that Lexi is already getting a lot of expensive gifts, and that it's only fair if I give her a cheap gift. I told her there's no way I'm going to show favoritism here. Now she won't talk to me at all.